Welcome to today's discussion on a topic that's often talked about and for good reason. The subject today is why you need to raise your income now. Income is the lifeblood of our economic existence. Without earnings, it's challenging to meet our basic needs, let alone aim for better things in life. However, when your financial situation seems to be stagnant and you feel like you're not earning enough, there's a pressing need to boost your income. Today, let's delve into the reasons why it's important to raise your income now. One primary reason for needing more income is to keep up with the rising cost of living. Over time, the price of commodities and services has increased significantly, outpacing most individuals' earnings. Consequently, we need to earn more to bridge the gap and maintain our standard of living. Secondly, having a higher income gives you the financial strength to achieve your short and long-term financial goals. Whether you are looking to save for a house, plan for your retirement, or afford a luxury vacation, a higher income makes it easier to realize those dreams. Thirdly, raising your income can provide you with a sense of financial security. In times of uncertainty or financial distress, such as during a pandemic or an economic downturn, higher earnings provide a cushion against unforeseen expenses and help you maintain your financial stability. Moreover, one cannot overlook the fact that higher earnings afford you greater purchasing power. This not only allows you to buy more, but also influences your lifestyle and spending habits, empowering you to make more meaningful and enjoyable decisions. A crucial reason to raise your income is to reduce your financial dependence. By earning more, you are less reliant on others or external financial aid. This leads to greater independence and instills a sense of accomplishment and self-worth as well. Additionally, when you have additional disposable income, you can contribute more to social causes. Whether it is giving back to your community, donating to worthy charities, or supporting local businesses, you will be in a better position to financially extend your help and leave a positive impact. Let's not forget the potential of investing your increased earnings. With a higher income, you can put more money into diverse investment options, aiding in wealth creation and planning better for your financial future. From a broader perspective, there's an evident need to raise the income to keep up with societal changes and meet the needs and desires of an evolving society. For us to adapt, grow, and succeed in changing times, increasing our earnings is not just beneficial but necessary. Furthermore, having higher income opens up more opportunities. You have the freedom to pick and choose from a range of options: career advancement, personal development, specialized training, or even the option to start your business. This freedom of choice can elevate your quality of life in multiple ways. Seeing the bigger picture, the need to raise income now contributes to a stronger economy and drives productivity at both macro and micro levels. Individuals with higher earnings have more purchasing power, consume more, and ultimately fuel the economic growth and success of a nation. Finally, raising your income can bring about personal growth and empowerment. As you earn more, you are likely to develop new skills, gain broader experiences, and achieve a heightened sense of satisfaction and fulfillment. Indeed, the process of increasing one's income is often a journey towards self-discovery and self-improvement, be it for your own financial stability, to meet the needs of a transforming society, or to empower you with better opportunities and choices. The reasons to raise your income are many, and all are rooted in the fundamental desire for a better life. Yet, it is important to remember that the journey towards increased earnings is a continuous one, and it comes with its own set of challenges and risks. However, by realizing the importance of raising your income now and taking appropriate measures, it becomes a journey worth embarking on. It's high time to cease seeing a higher income as a distant goal and start working towards it consistently. Remember, your perseverance will pay off, and the rewards, both monetary and non-monetary, will far outweigh the efforts you put in. Education, skill development, hard work, and a prudent financial plan are key factors instrumental in elevating one's income. It takes self-discipline and sacrifice, as well as informed and calculated risk-taking to see tangible outcomes in terms of higher earnings. Narrator 17. In conclusion, raising your income now is more than just about the money. It's about enhancing your lifestyle, increasing your choices, contributing to the economy, and ultimately achieving financial freedom. So, start today, commit to your growth, and raise your income one step at a time. Understand your current financial situation, assess your skills and potential opportunities, set measurable goals, and begin the process of boosting your income. Remember, the journey is tough, and setbacks are inevitable, but the only way to fail is to quit trying. Staying mindful and consistent with your efforts is essential. With time, as you learn from your past mistakes, capitalize on your strengths and seize new opportunities, you will realize that the goal of increasing your income, once deemed unachievable, is well within your grasp. It's important to recognize and celebrate small wins along the way. These milestones serve as reminders of your progress and can provide the motivation to keep pushing forward. Also, these small steps often lead to even greater leaps in the long run. As you navigate this journey of income growth, remember to stay true to your values and maintain a healthy work-life balance. After all, the ultimate objective of improving your financial situation is to lead a more satisfying and joyful life. Last but not least, remember the significance of giving back and sharing your learnings with others. Your journey, filled with challenges and accomplishments, can inspire and empower those around you to also pursue their financial goals relentlessly and create a ripple effect of change. Ultimately, in the grand scheme of things, the reasons to raise your income now might vary little. However, the impact and inspiration you draw from them to fuel your journey of income increase can untap your true potential and set into motion a series of personal and professional transformations that can lead you to the life of your dreams. It's time to take the plunge, embark upon your journey, and let the process of raising your income be a journey of self-discovery, empowerment, and transformative changes, a journey toward not just financial enrichment, but a life that is truly rich and rewarding in every sense. While the goal of raising your income now might seem daunting, especially in these uncertain times, remember that every success story started with a single step. As you take that first step, let your belief in your abilities and determination to secure a brighter future guide you on your journey. Embrace your potential and understand that you are more powerful than you realize. You have the potential to shape your destiny and create the financial future you desire. So, rise to the occasion, challenge yourself, and fuel your passions. So, are you ready? Ready to commit to your growth, to challenge the status quo, and take the necessary steps to increase your income? If your answer is yes, then let nothing stand in your way. Believe in yourself, put in the hard yards, and watch the magic happen. Remember, the process of increasing your income is a never-ending journey, with its fair share of trials and tribulations. And during the course of this journey, the path taken may not always be straight or smooth. However, the destination of a better, financially secure future is worth every step taken and obstacle overcome. Along the way, you will undoubtedly face challenges that will test your resolve. My hope for you is that you meet these obstacles head-on, learn from these trials, and strive to push past your perceived limitations. Your resilience and perseverance will be the defining factors in your journey to financial success. As you chart your course toward financial enhancement, make a promise to yourself that you will not become complacent upon achieving a certain milestone. Continue on your exciting journey, continuously striving for more, much like the waves that rain relentless on the shore, each one reaching farther than the last. Always remember that your income is a reflection of your skills, knowledge, and value you bring to the table. So, consistently enhance your capabilities, keep yourself updated, and never stop learning. In this ever-changing landscape of economic and societal dynamics, the need to raise your income now has become more pertinent than ever. So, take charge of your financial future. Believe in the possibilities that lie ahead, and choose to pave the way to a life of financial freedom, stability, and growth.